And staying on cricket, Rovman Powell believes more community events featuring international players can be used to revive the game of cricket in Jamaica. The West Indies captain was one of a number of West Indian players who turned out at an exhibition game organised by Kennar Lewis on New Year's Day.
Kennar Lewis may not be a household name in Jamaica, but in Westmoreland, his praises are being sung as he tries to breathe life into the sport in the parish. There was little space left at Paradise Cricket Club on New Year's Day as a number of local and international stars lit up the ground in an annual exhibition game between Andre Russell's 11 and Rovman Powell's 11. While the entertainment on the field was non-stop, it is the impact it is having outside the boundary that Lewis is most happy with.
Well, I want to give back to the parish, because I have a love for cricket, and when I see the cricket that is not in the parish, I know that I'm a professional and stuff, and I like to see young players coming through because you have so much that you can achieve from cricket now, so the only guys who put on the youngsters to just come out, and show their talent.
The powerful top order batter says he wants to motivate the next generation of players.
We try to be international stars and come around so the guys can see what it's all about, the life you can live, from playing cricket and everything. So it's about what you can achieve, It's you can provide for your family, you can help out the community and everything. So that's always a blessing for this sport.
West Indies T20 captain Rovman Powell was grateful to have shared in the experience.
These events are very, very important, as I mentioned, coming into communities like this where they haven't seen cricket, especially international cricket, is in such a long time, so it's important for us to come, see what's going on in the community, have some fun with the people, and all goes well, ends well.
Cayman Islands international Alexandra Morris sees events like this as a driving force behind the resurrection of the game in Jamaica.
Well, I think this is one of the ways we can bring the game back. I think one of the issues is that we have is sort of exclusive where we're seeing people on TV do it, but the truth is that the cricketers, the younger people, need to see that dream. They need to understand that it's a real possibility to make a career out of cricket. And cricket in Jamaica, historically, we have always done well. So for me, the sport is very important. It's near and dear to my heart. And that's the reason why I took the time from Cayman to fly here to be a part of this event, because I think it's important that we bring cricket back to grassroots in order to make it grow.
Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.
Now, former Jamaican